Hi, Mrs. Smith. Gus did great for his surgery, but he is going to have to wear this e-collar for about 10 to 14 days while he recovers.
Oh my goodness. Well, he's not going to be very happy because he's not going to be able to move very well. How would you feel if you had to wear this for 2 weeks?
When your pet arrives home with an e-collar, it'll take some time for them to adapt to their new headwear. Everyday activities can be more difficult.
Here comes the airplane.
There may be times when your pet could use some help. But your pet will soon get used to having their e-collar on. After a few days, you and your pet may even forget about the e-collar. Before you know it, it will be time to remove your pet's e-collar.
Freedom.
Mrs. Smith, Gus likely won't love wearing his e-collar for the first few days. He did just have a very important eye surgery. If he gets to that eye, he could cause some irreversible damage. The e-collar is not a punishment, it's just a barrier, just like he would get abdominal surgery or knee surgery. It's to prevent licking the incision. The first few days might take some careful navigating, but with your help, I think he'll get through it.
Well, I will do anything to make sure that my Gus gets a full recovery.
I know you will. And let me show you how to take off the e-collar just in case, but never leave him unsupervised with the e-collar off. The Elizabethan collar or e-collar is secured around the neck with a temporary collar. First, undo the collar strap. Next, pull on the strip that weaves through the slots on the cone. This will allow you to remove the e-collar from your pet's head. It may be tempting to pull the intact e-collar over the pet's head, but it's important to take the time to disassemble a collar to prevent injury. To replace the e-collar, fold the ends of the collar together, overlapping until the slots on each side are lined up. Using the long strip of plastic, weave the strip in and out until you have a small piece left at the end. Insert the end into the last slot to secure the collar. If the collar loops are not formed, insert the short strips into the e-collar like so, creating a space to run the pet's collar through to secure it to the neck. Next, put the collar through the loops and tighten it. The collar should be tight enough that the e-collar cannot be pulled over the head, but not choking the pet. Make sure you can fit 2 fingers in between the collar and the pet's neck comfortably. Once the e-collar has been placed on your pet, one should say the most important step is clearing off all tables at head level. E-collars can be downright annoying, but their importance in the surgical recovery of your pet is paramount. If you are having difficulty keeping the e-collar on your pet, or your pet is having difficulty navigating with the e-collar, call your veterinarian for some helpful tips.
Gus and I hope you enjoyed our video on e-collars. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.